In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time format in Outlook step by step. This is a really useful setting if you prefer a specific date style, like day first instead of month first, or if you want your time displayed in a 12 or 24-hour format. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal emails, adjusting this setting can make your inbox much easier to read and manage. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy and up-to-date software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the Settings panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a list of quick settings on the right side of the screen. These are commonly used options, but the one we need is located in the Full Settings menu. At the bottom of this settings panel, click on the option that says View All Outlook Settings. This will open a new window with more detailed configuration options. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see several categories. Click on General to expand the general settings for your Outlook account. Under General, select the option labeled Language and Time. This is where Outlook allows you to control how dates, times, and language preferences are displayed across your emails and calendar. Once you're on the Language and Time page, scroll down slightly until you see the section related to date and time formats. Here, you'll notice a drop-down arrow next to the current format. This drop-down contains multiple predefined date and time formats that Outlook supports. Click on the drop-down arrow to view the available options. You'll see different combinations, such as month-day-year, day-month-year, and various time formats including 12-hour and 24-hour clocks. Take a moment to select the format that best suits your preference or regional standard. As you click through the options, Outlook will preview how dates and times will appear using that format. This makes it easier to confirm you've chosen the right one before saving. Once you've selected your desired date and time format, double-check that everything looks correct. When you're happy with your selection, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This step is important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. After clicking Save, Outlook will automatically update the date and time format across your inbox, emails, and calendar. You may need to refresh the page or navigate back to your inbox to see the changes immediately. And that's it! You've successfully changed the date and time format in Outlook. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how quickly you read and understand your emails, especially if you work with international teams or prefer a specific format. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and clear software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.